Hello, this is the second video which is coming your way. Be prepared for this video also. Away, I have taught you how to write female drugs. Now, further we are going to learn how to write therapeutics of the disease. એટલે કે therapeutic writing is of two types. First, which I taught you in video 1, that is writing down female drugs. Second, we are going to write down therapeutics of a disease. Okay, समझो कि इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या होगा. Write down therapeutics of DUB. Second thing, write down therapeutics of infertility. Write down 3 or 4 drugs for fibroid. So now you see, here they are going to give you disease and you are going to write down the drugs for it. So what you are going to do, how you are going to write? The pattern is going to be different from the first video. The first was about the female, the second is about writing the therapeutics of the disease. Got it? So again, this part is going to be divided into 3 paragraphs. Therapeutics of a disease condition. Paragraph 1. Okay, I will explain to you with example. You already know it. We have discussed some topics also, but this is just a revision, so that for my next gradual lectures, this will help you. This pattern will help you and you will recollect what all we had learned previously. So again, paragraph 1 for therapeutics of disease condition. Okay, it includes the different conditions or the different symptoms of the disease which are present in the drug. समझो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको पूछा गया है सबाइना को DUB में. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम रिपीटिंग. बराबर, हियर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन what are the bleeding disorders that are present in Sabina which are true for the condition which is called DUB. Okay, हाँ, या फिर समझो पूछा है Sabina in menorrhagia. Okay, all that is important that you should know the bleeding pattern of Sabina. And what is the most important line? The most important line about Sabina is the flow is partly fluid and partly clotted. Got it? So here in paragraph 1, you have to write down the bleeding disorders or the disease symptoms which are present in the drug with the menstrual history and the leukorrhea. I am repeating, the disease symptoms of the drug, the disease symptoms which are present in the drug and the menstrual history and the leukorrhea and all the symptoms related to the female genital system. So this becomes, here what happens when the examiner reads the paragraph 1 or when we read your paragraph 1, we immediately know that you know something which is related to the disease. Okay, so this becomes paragraph 1. Then comes the paragraph 2. Again, paragraph 2 is the same as we wrote in female. Okay, the paragraph 2, again, it is the main bulk of the answer. Here you write down everything you know about the drug. Whatever PQRS you know about the drug or whatever you know about the drug, you have to write it down. Okay, so what is it? The physical generals, or you call the guiding symptoms, or you call the clinical features, whatever you say. But in paragraph 2, you are going to write down all the physical generals, the mentals, the ailments from, and everything that you know about the drug. The urine, the thirst, the desire, the aversion, the appetite, the sleep, the dreams, the mentals, the ailments from, dash, dash, dash. The entire drug is going to come in paragraph 2. Again, it will be short, it will be to the point, and you will not stretch it into long answer. This becomes the paragraph 2. Finally, the third part, the paragraph 3. The paragraph 3, as we did in female, the paragraph 3 includes only the general modalities of the drug, the aggravation and amelioration, the general modalities, or more information, anything else you have, like if it is MACPHOS, got it, they ask you in dysmenorrhea. If you know a typical way of dispensing MACPHOS, students write it down. They give an extra information about the drug. So if you know something more particular about a drug, you can mention it in paragraph 3. Got it? So this is all about the second method of writing therapeutics. The therapeutics of a drug, therapeutics of female medicine, therapeutic of disease. These are the two different patterns of writing down. This will include only one full scape or again 1.5 full scape, nothing more than that. I hope you have understood. Next time we'll go ahead. I'm sending you other topics and you are going to prepare your own therapeutics. You are going to go through the therapeutics and you can ask me if you have any queries. Take care. Bye bye.